Hello everyone. So I am back with a quick video. I I just got a new work on Upwork, so I just wanted to share some tips with you. So here is a new hockey team launched their name, and that is Seattle Kraken. So this is a new team launched in USA, and my client, I am working with him. So he wants to make some similar designs of this hockey team to sell to their fans. Now he sent me this link. This is their official link and official designs. So I have to make something very similar with this, and then whoever their fan will be, they will brought that t-shirt. So basically the reason I am showing you this is a t-shirt design is not always a very vectorized, very element or very too much elemental designs. No, it can be a very simple, very easy designs too. You have to just understand the workflow, then you can make any designs you want. I maybe show you some tough work or some very hard work, some complex works, but there are some easy designs too, like this one. So here is something I need. First of all is the font they are using here. I need this font name. So for that this is a website called myfonts.com. You can see it's taking a screenshot because I am working for him now. Okay, so this is a website called myfonts. Here you can upload an image and then it will help you to find the font. So I found this font is very similar to the one I am going to use. They used some effect here, so this is looking a bit different, but this is how I find a font from a design or from a image. So I just need to copy this name. I am right clicking here and searching that font. This is the font name. I have to like this font free download. If I search this, I will find this website. So here I can download that font from free. This is showing here it is a paid font, $29 is its price, but I can download this free from here. Okay, so these are the designs. I have to make something similar, but there is some problem with copyright, as this is a professional team. They had their copyright, and I cannot just make a very similar designs to this, then they will be copyrighted. So I can make something like them, not exactly same. So if I take this one, I know this font name, it is Seattle Kraken. I have to write this in my style. I cannot use a very similar font, but I can use a close as possible type font. So this is my font here. Okay, so I have to use a similar font, not exactly same font. I have a font called, it is High School USA Sans or USA Serif. They are using a sans font. Sans means this has no like, okay, you know what is sans and what is serif. I am not going to explain that. So this is a similar font I am using here. Now this S looking theme is their logo. I cannot just use that same logo, then it will be copyrighted. So I am using a, okay, so here one thing is this Kraken. Kraken is a sea monster. You can search Google for that. It is like this. I found this image on Pixabay. So Kraken is a sea monster, so I cannot use their official logo, but I can use a picture of Kraken. Then my design will be similar looking and the message will be same. Like I am using a Kraken picture, not their official logo. So they cannot just copyright him or claim a copyright from my client, but he can sell this to his fans. Okay, so let's break them. I'm going to make them similar size. Okay, so this is my Kraken image. Let's place it somewhere else, something like this. Okay, let's align them. I am thinking of making this a bit overlapping to my text. They are all in a alignment position. Now make a offset path. Cut them. Now make a group of these two. Group. Okay. Before that, I need to make it a bit arc like this. Not that much. Just a little bit. Yeah, this is good. Okay, now expand the appearance. Just like this. I am going to group them. Now transparency panel and paste in front. Okay, so this is my design. Now I can pick colors from here, or I can go to their official website to pick their colors. I think this is good. If I put a background here with this color, then I can see what is this going to be. Okay, so this is a design for this one. I am not using their official logo. I am just using a picture of Kraken, and that will give their fans a similar feel. Okay, so this one is done. For this one, now I downloaded a hockey stick vector here. I just need to add 3 stripes like them. So let's do that. On, I can duplicate that like this, then other. Okay, now if I pick colors from here, okay, so I am selecting them all. Shape builder minus. Now that effect is made, I am making them group. Now here I have downloaded that font from the website, so I am going to use this font. You can see this is giving me a very similar look. Okay, little bit smaller. These hockey sticks should be visible from these areas. Now I can use Seattle, Seattle, Seattle. I can use a similar font like that. A font I know, that is American Captain, something like that. Okay, I think this will work. Now this should be a spaced a bit. If I take this from here, make an arc like before. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so this is my two fonts. I'm going to use 20. Okay, my design is almost ready. Now they used their official logo here, but I cannot use that official logo, so I am going to use my Kraken image again, and that is how I will avoid the copyright, or my clients who I am working for will not face a copyright problem. Something like this. Okay, I don't want these areas to be visible, so put it like here. Make a offset path. I am going to break these fonts. Okay, now select them all, expand appearance, expand again. Okay, so this is my design almost ready. I just want to make a offset path for this text. Let's make a bit bigger. Yeah, this will work. Cut. Okay, so these areas should not be visible through my designs, so let's fix that. I'm going to use my pen tool here. I'm not making it very precisely, just making rough. Okay, so this is my design is here. My design is ready. I need to pick the colors. Yeah, this one's too. This team is going to be playing from 2021, from the next year. That's why they have used 2021 here. Okay, I think this is okay. Now my two design is ready. You can see this is how we work, or how clients order, how we work, how we research like this. Not that every time you will get a huge amount of complex designs. Sometimes you will get very similar designs like this, very easy work. It will take you 10 to 15 minutes to complete, but you have to know the process. You have to know how to find a font, how to make a design avoiding copyright. You can see these are very these two are very identical designs, right? These two are very identical designs, and they are giving you the same message, the hockey stick, the team name, but I am not using their official logo here. If I use that official logo, there will be copyright and he cannot sell that online. Okay guys, so this was a quick video, quick tutorial for beginners who are learning to, or who are planning to start t-shirt designs. Okay, I am working for my clients, so I cannot do this when it's taking screenshot. So okay, everyone have a good time. Thank you.